May I request you to kindly come back to your seats because we want to start a very, very interesting session now, which is really going to pump you up. Let's have some great speakers, wonderful topics, and a great audience like you. So with all that happening, I'm sure we are going to be absolutely right. So kindly take your seats. We would like to start in a short while. And a warm welcome to you, Mr. Asthana. Good to see you. I'm behind you, sir. Kindly take your seats, and in case you need to see all the presentations of both the days, today and tomorrow, we are going to put it on the website, the WPPS website, so you can, store all those websites there. Mr. J.K. Sood, nice to see you, Sood Saab. Most warm welcome to Sood Saab. Come on, get ready. We are going to start now. So may I start inviting on stage our esteemed panelists. Preetpal Singh, IFS, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India. Thank you. And let me talk about you, sir. Sit for a minute. Okay, you walked. So, Sri Preetpal Singh was born in Shillong, is a highly respected senior official with a distinguished career in public service. He holds a Bachelor of Engineering degree from Punjab University and a postgraduate degree in forestry. His extensive experience spans various critical roles, including Divisional Forest Officer, Additional Chief Executive Officer of the Sri Ambarnath Shrine Board, Law Secretary for the Union Territory Administration of Ladakh, Chief Wildlife Officer and Chief Warden for the Union Territory of Ladakh, Member Secretary of the Pollution Control Board in Ladakh, Director at the Ministry of Defense, and officer on special duty to the Raksha Mantri and DIG Forest at the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in New Delhi. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Mr. Preetpal Singh.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would welcome you all. I would welcome the people on the dais. I'm thankful that you have given me an opportunity to be here. This is my first interaction with the Wheat Product Promotion Society, and I bet this is going to be a learning experience for me. When I came here, one of the members was accompanying me. He told me that WPPS was basically started by or promoted by Americans to promote their wheat. Now, after we have become self-sufficient in wheat, it is now controlled by Indians, and the Americans have receded to the background. From this, only one thing is constant, that is change. Change is going to be constant. And one who is able to handle change will be able to meet the demands of the industry. Indian food processing industry is one of the largest in the world. We are growing at the rate of 8%, and we are expected to reach 535 billion by the year, financial year 26. We rank as one of the top producers of cereals, pulses, fruits, and vegetables. The country is also largest producer of spices and milk. and second largest in fruit, vegetables, and aquaculture. The share of processed food in exports have been going up. It has risen from 13.7% in 2014-15 to about 23.5% now, which means a quarter of our exports is now in processed form. One of the biggest advantages of food processing industry is that it is one of the significant employment provider. In fact, it is one of the largest employment providers, accounting for 12.2% employment in the total organized sector. Well, from the ministry perspective, I would like to tell you that this is one of our strongest point. Every ministry has to compete for funds because there are too many demands from too many ministries. So one of the things which goes in our favor is the employment potential of this industry. And given that the employment is highest in this sector, this is one of the factors that induces the cabinet or the government to increase the outlay of this sector. Then coming to wheat, India is also one of the leading producers of wheat. The production is 112 metric tons in 23-24. Well, I would like to tell you about our understanding of wheat industry, how it functions. Otherwise, you know, it would be, I would say that the August gathering here would be more knowledgeable than me or the ministry about the dynamics of the wheat industry. Well, we consider the following as strengths of wheat sector. We have a large production volume. We have diverse agroclimatic conditions. There are a lot of government support schemes to which I will come later. And there have been a lot of technological advancements of late, particularly on the milling side. Then you see, what are the factors which are pulling back this sector, you know? We consider there's a gap in infrastructure, and this is not only specific to the wheat sector. If you go across any sector, logistics, warehousing, these are typically considered to be, you know, the factors or infrastructure gaps. Then this sector is considered to be resource intensive. The power and the water requirements are quite intensive. And there is low energy penetration also. Well, regarding opportunities, I would say there are a lot of export potentials, but again, there are a lot of bottleneck in this sector because, you know, we keep interacting with the industry, and you would be knowing it perhaps that most of our rice, this is not about wheat, most of our rice which goes to Gulf is sold under, not under Indian brands, but it is branded there. So recognizing that, you know, if you want to move up the value chain, you have to brand your own products. So one of my suggestions, if it is possible, is that, you know, the small producers or the medium producers, they should come together and, you know, launch products in their own brands, because branding is the part which unlocks the value. From the Ministry of Food ministry perspective, we have seen that, you know, there has been increasing formalization of this sector. There are two trends. On the one hand, informal sector is increasingly turning towards becoming a formal sector. And in the formal sector, a lot of consolidation is happening. And we foresee that in years to come, there would be big players, and most of the small players or medium to large players, they are going to become contract manufacturers for the industry which has its own brand. Keeping this in view, we had launched a PLI scheme. In the PLI scheme, we had kept a component for branding and marketing abroad. Under this scheme, up to 50 crores per year was supposed to be paid to the companies which were enrolled under this scheme for branding and marketing abroad. The idea was that, you know, the value chains, if it is locked by branding Indian products in Gulf and other countries to whom we export, then the value will trickle down to the farmers. I would also like to urge the associations, you know, to give us feedback when we enter into foreign trade agreements. We are now into a phase where we are having a lot of interactions, a lot of free trade agreements. One of them is with the UK, and the South Korean free trade agreement is also supposed to be coming up for review. And when these review happens, a lot of things are changed, particularly on the taxation side, import duties, surcharges. And it is at that stage that we invite suggestions from the industry. And during that suggestion stage, if we are able to receive the inputs, we are able to communicate and participate in the discussions which are typically held by the Ministry of Commerce and secure a better deal for our farmers. So I would urge the wheat processing society also to take active part in those negotiations by, giving us inputs timely. There are other threats also which this sector faces. One is, of course, climate change, and the second is market competition. In the field of marketing competition, we have to lay a lot of stress on quality. I remember the other day we were having discussions, and there was a demand from industry that the government should step in, because when our export consignments are rejected, the government should take up the matter with the country which has rejected the export consignment. Then, the minister, he responded by saying that, how can I intervene? Last year, there were 6 consignments which were returned. Now, this year, the number of consignments which were returned have come back, have risen to 9. So with what face I go and argue with them? So the need of the hour is to improve the quality standards. And if we want to compete and break into new markets, apart from Africa, if we want to break into Europe, US, and other developed country markets where the value unlocking will take place, we have to be quality conscious. The Government of India is now launching, has a number of schemes to promote food processing, and wheat sector can also be one of the beneficiaries. We have Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. This, basically caters for creation of modern infrastructure, and it targets right from the supply side challenges to the supply side challenges and integrated cold chain projects, food safety and quality, quality assurance. We are also organizing World Food India in the month of September, from 19th to 22nd of September. I would urge the industry to participate in the event. We want to take this event to a scale where it becomes a must participation event. Looking at the previous success, I think if you are there and if you are able to clinch new buyers, I think that would be a way forward. With this, I would like to conclude my address. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much, sir, for your wonderful words which have contributed to this forum. Thank you so much. It now gives me great pleasure to invite on stage Mr. H.K. Batra, Chairman, Managing Director, Perfect Bread Group of Companies. Sir, मैं आपके बारे में बोलूं? Yes, sir. Give a big round of applause for a vote of thanks.
Esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, respected sponsors, media representatives, and valued participants. On behalf of Wheat Product Promotion Society, WPPS, and the All India Bread Manufacturers Association, it is my honor to extend heartfelt vote of thanks to all of you who made the WPPS CEO Conclave Wheat and Wheat Product Vision 2030 a resounding success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Chief Guest, Singh Saab, for gracing the occasion with their presence. Special thanks to Mr. Pramod S. Jain, President, Roller Flour Millers Federation of India. Mr. Ajay Goel, Dynamic Chairman, President, Wheat Product Promotion Society. Mr. Ranveer Chandra, Managing Director, Research for Industry, CTO, Agri-Food, Microsoft. Mr. John Southwell, Trade and Investment Commissioner, Australian Government, Australian Trade and Investment Commission. Mr. Clay M. Hamilton, Agriculture Minister, Counselor, U.S. Department of Agriculture, Foreign Agriculture Service, U.S. Embassy, New Delhi. Dr. Shankar Goenka, Managing Director, Wo Factors, Indian Wo, Go Green, Krishi Viman Drone, and my old friend also. Mr. Sanjeev Asthana, CEO, Patanjali Foods. And Dr. Savitri Annapurna Singh, Director, CSIR, Center for Technology Research Institute, Mysuru. Mr. Preet Pal Singh, the IFS Joint Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Government of India, and as a Chief Guest of the day. And G. Kamala Vardhana Rao, Chief Executive Officer, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Your insightful addresses have set the tone of this conclave and provided valuable perspectives on the future and the wheat and wheat products industry. As President of AIBMA, All India Bread Manufacturer Association, which represent all the bread industries, I would like to highlight the significant role our sector plays in the nation's food processing industry. With increasing urbanization and changing consumer preferences, the demand for various types of bread has been significant rise. The industry is characterized by the mixed and large-scale manufacture and numerous small and medium-sized enterprises, catering to diverse regional taste and dietary needs. This sector does not support the agriculture economy by the sourcing wheat and other grains locally, but also contributes to the overall economic development of the country. Further, I would like to praise you that All India Bread Manufacturers Association has been serving the bread industry in the country for more than 30 years, since its inception in 1978. This membership comprises of bread manufacturing units from large to small scale sectors all over India. AIBMA maintains interaction with the government for promoting the bread industry in the country and discuss various issues and challenges faced by the industry. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to all our sponsors whose generous support has been instrumental in bringing this conclave to fruition. Our sponsors have been pivotal in the ensuring smooth execution of this event. Special thanks to our speakers for their time, efforts, and sharing their knowledge and expertise. Your contribution has been greatly enriched our understanding and has provided new avenues of thought and discussions. To the media, thank you for your coverage, for helping us reach a wider audience. Your role in cementing the key of discussion and outcomes of the conclave is highly appreciated. Lastly, I thanks to all the participants for your active involvement and enthusiasm. Your engagement is what truly makes the conclave platform for meaningful dialogue and collaboration. Thank you all for your contribution for making this event a success. I look forward to continued collaboration and advancement of which we achieve together in the wheat and wheat product sector. Thank you very much.
Mr. H.K. Batra, thank you so much for proposing a vote of thanks. You did it so well, I hope I could give you an award. But I'm not in the committee. But now, it gives me immense pleasure to invite Mr. Ajay Goel to take center stage as we acknowledge our esteemed panel. First to the lovely lady, Dr. Sri Devi Annapurna Singh Ji. May I invite you to accept a token of our love and gift of our appreciation for all the beautiful words you said for us. A bouquet of flowers for you. Yeah, we're giving you something that's... Okay. Okay, we'll move. Please take your seat, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. I would now like to welcome Mr. Pramod Jain to kindly come and accept a token of our appreciation for your wonderful presence here and your contribution to this forum. Thank you. Big round of applause. Yes, great moment for us. How many of you have ever won an award at any forum? Give me a shout. I can't believe this. I thought it was me. Yes, again. Big round of applause, yes. Anybody here from Dr. Ranveer Chandra's team? No. Okay, we'll move on. Mr. John Southwell, you are here. May I invite you to accept a token of appreciation from the organizers. Thank you. Mr. John Southwell. Okay, thank you. Give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. You'll also get some Indian flowers. Mr. Clay Hamilton is not here. He had to leave. Anybody can represent him? No. Okay. We move on. Dr. Shankar Goenka ji. Dr. Shankar Happy Goenka brings happiness wherever you go. Wonderful. Give him a big round of applause. Happy man. To a friend, a CEO of Patanjali, Mr. Sanjeev Asthana, may I invite you to accept a token of our appreciation for the wonderful words of 8.5 minutes which you did. We wanted more. Great man. To Dr. H.S. Gupta ji, former Director IRA. May I invite you, sir? You spoke so well. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations. And finally, to our chief guest, Mr. Preetpal Singh, IFS Joint Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India. Sir, may I invite you, please, to accept a token of our appreciation. I also want to acknowledge Mr. H.K. Batra. May I invite you to give you some flowers and a big hug. Which Ajay ji will give you a big hug and a flowers. Wonderful. Congratulations. May I invite all our esteemed panelists to kindly come in the front for a group picture. Madam, may I invite you to come for a group picture. And a very special bouquet of flowers to the man of the hour, Mr. Ajay Goel. Big round of applause. Great visionary. 2 bouquets? No, 1 bouquet and... Wow. Wow. Please stand for a picture, everybody. Look at the camera, smile. And if it comes good, Instagram and send it to your spouses. And if it doesn't come good, send it to your spouses. Wow. Give our esteemed panel a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to have the awards ceremony. Different categories, different achievers. All of you have worked so hard. And today, you are going to get well-deserved and awarded for all the hard work you have put in the past 12 months. So kindly take your seats. Give us 6 minutes to just get organized, and we will start the award ceremony. Thank you very much. If your names is among the first few, please don't take your award and run away, because you have to clap for the other 59, 60 awards. Oh my God. But we'll give you cocktails. We'll give you dinner. And the only entertainment you have at the moment is me.
And
So,
improve the flour quality.
no budget.
Biggest advantage is that you can use wheat of lower quality and get a good flour. Contact us today.
So
for
I'm
time
ready.
saving.
We have got the WPPS Lifetime Achievement Award 2024. Huge list.
Nothing means more to us than the future of our children.
And in our jobs as millers, we know that the vitamins and minerals
Okay.
we add to the food we produce will help our families and thousands of families like ours.
To grow up strong, to succeed, and to pursue their dreams.
So before we actually give the awards, let me read out to you the categories. So we have the WPPS Lifetime Achievement Award. People are gossiping. We have got the Milling Technologist Award. We have got the Artisan Baker Recognition Award. We have got the Baking Industry Research Leader Award. We have the Start Up Star Young Entrepreneur Award. How many of you are young entrepreneurs? Let me see your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have got the Innovator in Wheat and Wheat Products Research Award. Then there's the Excellence in Milling Practices Award, the Global Bakery Export Excellence Award, the Premier Global Exporter Award for flour, atta, and suji. We then have the Wheat Products Corporate Leader of the Year Award, the Technological Trailblazer Award in Milling and Baking, the WPPS Excellence in Wheat and Wheat Products Nutrition Award, the WPPS Award for Excellence in Wheat and Wheat Products Sourcing. Are you listening to me or just talking to each other? Don't worry. Because the pioneer of modern food safety and nutrition advocacy. So these are the awards we have. Check, this is better. Okay. And I've got a list. Okay, whoever is winning an award, this is an important announcement. Kindly listen to me very carefully, because based on your understanding of what I'm going to say is going to be the cocktails and dinner what you receive. So, the moment you hear your name, what all are you going to do? For example, sir, if you hear a name, what are you going to do? How do you react? What will you do? You jump in joy, you'll dance to the music. Okay? Done? We have an agreement. The girls are looking so innocent and looking at my face like that. Oh, I just love it. So I'm going to start in a short while. How many of you are from Mumbai? Give me a shout. Ah. How many of you are from South India? Give me a shout. Oh, many. How many of you are from the eastern side of India? Give me a shout. Bengal? Nobody's from Bengal. Okay. How many of you are from the Delhi? Yeah. Superb. Okay, that's good. So, I'll also give you some prizes, because we have got some prizes, and the winners, I promise you, the prize will reach you next year, same date, a different venue. But let's go in for a contest. So we have got 12 months in the year. I'm born in one of those months. If you can guess correctly the first time which month I was born, you will be shortlisted for a prize. Say anybody who can say it. Okay. Sorry. No, not you. Okay. That's pending.
Put your beats on the track.
Now. Good evening and a warm welcome to the awards WPPS. We are so happy to have you with us. Let's hear a big round of applause for ourselves for the great day today. And Ajay-ji. May I invite on stage our chief guest, Mr. Preetpal Singh, IFS Joint Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India. Please, big round of applause to kindly be part. Sir, you're going to be a part of the award giving ceremony. We both may not get one. So we are starting off with the Lifetime Achievement Awards. I'll talk about the awardee first a little. He has made pioneering contributions in the field of sustainable agriculture with a special focus on the development of field crops utilizing both conventional and molecular crop breeding techniques. He has been instrumental in transferring desirable traits from winter wheat to spring wheat and has facilitated the development and decimation of several varieties of Yestum and Durum wheats. Remarkably, 2 of these varieties have been cultivated on more than 10 million hectares within a decade, supported by farmer-producer organization and small seed companies. It's a lot more about him, but due to the paucity of time, we will speak short notes. So it gives me great pleasure to invite on stage the Chairman, Agriculture Commission of Assam, President, Indian Society of Seed Technology, Dr. H.S. Gupta, for the Lifetime Achievement Award 2024. Don't stop the clapping. Congratulations, sir. Many, many congratulations. Wish you all the best. I'll now speak about the next award, and it is for a gentleman whose family has been an integral part of the flour milling industry for over 7 decades, with a rich legacy rooted in Bihar, India. Their journey began with a strong commitment to quality and innovation, setting benchmarks in the sector. I would like to invite very warmly for his Lifetime Achievement Award, Shri Prem Gupta ji, Chairman, Danapur Flour Mills. Let's give him a big, big round of applause.
He is unwell. Mr. Adinarayan Gupta is receiving it on
Mr. Prem Gupta ji is not well. Okay, many congratulations. Thank you. We now honor Mr. Shiv Prakash Bansal, Chairman, Roxy Flour Mills Private Limited, for his Lifetime Achievement Award 2024. Many congratulations. Whenever you're free, you can clap. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. We now would like to bestow a Lifetime Achievement Award on Mr. Zohar Kharakwala, Managing Director, Mongini Foods Private Limited. Zohar Bhai, are you here? A warm welcome to you, sir. All my life I've been eating Monginis. Even today I'm eating Monginis. My children are eating Monginis. My grandchildren, no, I don't have. Great. Love the Monginis brand. Congratulations, sir. Great brand, great cakes, even patties. I would now like to invite the Managing Director of PBI India Private Limited, Mr. Sanjay Puri, for your Lifetime Achievement Award. Wonderful. Ajay ji, these people are so young. How is that you give them Lifetime Achievement Awards? Congratulations, sir. Wonderful. Great achievement. Well deserved. I'm now inviting Mr. Jagdish Rai Chandana, Chairman Maxim Bakery, for his Lifetime Achievement Award, and here he comes. Congratulations, sir. Many, many congratulations. So proud of you. Thank you. May I now invite Mr. K.R. Balan, founder, K.R. Bakes, for his WPPS Lifetime Achievement Award. Give a big round of applause. Many congratulations, sir. Come on, let's hear it. Thank you. For his Lifetime Achievement Award 2024, may I invite Dr. Bibhuti Bhushan Patnaik, Independent Director of various companies in warehousing and seed sector, former Managing Director, Central Warehousing Corporation, former Chairman cum Managing Director, National Seeds Corporation, former Chairman, Warehousing, Development and Regulatory Authority. Congratulations, sir. For his Lifetime Achievement Award, Dr. N.K. Gupta, Flour Mill Consultant and Engineer. Let's give him a big round of applause. Dr. N.K. Gupta ji, are you here? Yes, he's coming. Let him take his time. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Our next Lifetime Achievement awardee is Dr. Colonel Rajan Shankar, formerly Regional Head, Gain and Director Nutrition, Tata Trust. Is he here? Dr. Colonel Rajan Sarkarji. Yes, he's here. Congratulations, sir. Our next awardee, Lifetime Achievement Award, is Mr. P. Haridas Rao, former head, ISMT NCFTI, to be received by Dr. M.M. Krishna on his behalf, please. Dr. Krishna, are you here? Yeah, he's coming. Yeah, please come, please come. Dr. Krishna is receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award on behalf of Mr. P. Haridas Rao. Thank you, sir. Our next awardee in the Lifetime Achievement category is Dr. Gyanendra Pratap Singh Ji, Director, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, New Delhi. Here he comes. Give him a big round of applause. Whoever gets me a cappuccino, I'll give you a prize next year. Okay, here we go. Next Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Mr. R.K. Agrawal, former head of manufacturing and projects, Britannia Industries. He's not here. Please keep his award and we'll send it to him. Thank you. Our next awardee is Dr. Sesikaran Boindala, MD FAMS, former director, National Institute of Nutrition, ICMR, to be received by Dr. M.M. Krishna, please. Yeah, he's coming. Thank you, Dr. Krishna, for receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award on behalf of Dr. Sesikaran. Yeah. After this. I now like to invite Ms. Veena Sharma, former Joint Secretary, Roller Flour Mills Federation of India, for her Lifetime Achievement Award. Is she here? Where are you, madam? Take your time, don't worry. As she walks, I'll tell you one line about her. She's honored. She's a master's degree in English and diploma in journalism, advertising and marketing. There she is on stage. Veteran agri-policy expert and industry leader, I would like to warmly welcome, and he is present here, Mr. Gopal K. Sood. I'll come to get you, sir.
Revolution.
Mr. G.K. Sood, very famous in the edible oil and various commodity sectors. As I watch Mr. Somnath Chatterjee from ITC in his red t-shirt, the ITC t-shirt, I'm still waiting for one. Somnathji, you are requested to come on stage, not to collect an award, but to give one. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause to Big Boss from ITC Foods, Mr. Somnath Chatterjee, great friend. Somnathji is a wonderful guy. And now is the Milling Technology Award, and I'd like to invite Mr. Manish Mehrotra, Production Manager and Plant Head, Sahuwala Flour Mills, Tamil Nadu. Are you here, sir? Yes, please welcome. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. May I now invite for the Milling Technologist Award, Dr. Suresh Dilip Rao Sakhare Sahib, Senior Principal Scientist and Course Coordinator, International School of Milling Technology. He's not here. Okay, we'll keep his award. Now it's the Artisan Baker Recognition Award. Chef Gaurav Wadhwa, who's sitting on the first bench, the Artisan Baker Recognition Award, Founder Director, Culinary Head and Co-owner, Theos Foods Private Limited, Theos Manufacturing Private Limited, Theos Global Culinaria. Wonderful. Congratulations, chef.
Revolution.
Now I'd like to invite Mr. Afzal Ansari, Director, Golden Bakery Group, Pune, please, for your award. He's here. Give him a big round of applause. Next Artisan Baker Recognition Award goes to a young Miss Anushka Neol, founder 3-1 Farms. Give her a big round of applause. Congratulations. Many congratulations. Now the Baking Industry Research Leader Award. I would like to first invite Mr. M.R. Sundar, Head and Managing Partner, VMAS. Let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you very much. Congratulations, sir. We're now looking at the Startup Star Young Entrepreneur Award. I would like to invite Mr. Mudit Goyal, Director, Mega Star Foods Limited. Give him a big round of applause. Mr. Mudit Goyal. Congratulations. The Startup Youngster Entrepreneur Award now goes to Mr. Sheshav Mittal, Founder and CEO, Lovely Bake Studio, Managing Director, Lovely Sweets House Private Limited. I hope you're carrying some sweets. No, you're not here. Not. Okay, moving on. We now invite Mr. Dhruv Batra, Director, LR Fruits Private Limited, Perfect Group of Companies, another young entrepreneur. Yeah, he's here. He's coming on stage. Startup. Is that him? The Startup Young Star Entrepreneur Award goes to Mr. Ghansham Lalwani, Director, Poonam Roller Flour Mills Private Limited. Are you here, sir? Yes, young and young star. Congratulations. We now move on to the Innovator in Wheat and Wheat Products Research Award. The award goes to Punjab Agricultural University, 1962. Wow, give them a big round of applause. Dr. Asla Sharma and Dr. V. Congratulations. The Excellence in Milling Practices Award will now go to Sri Ram Chandra Singhal, Managing Director, Sri Ram Flour Mills, former President, UP Roller Flour Mills Association, former Director, the Roller Flour Mills Federation of India. Here he is. Many congratulations. Congratulations, sir. The Excellence in Milling Practices Award goes to Mr. Pankaj Goyal, Director, Sri Kailash Grain Mills Private Limited. Pankaj ji, are you here? Thank you. The Excellence in Milling Practice Award goes to Mr. K.V. Reddy, Executive Vice President, ITC Foods. Where are you? If he's not here, I think Ajay ji, hand it over to Somnath ji. Mr. Rastogi, you'll collect the award, please. Mr. Anuj Rastogi from ITC. The CEO for Ashirwad Business. He'll give me business? Okay, great. The CEO for Ashirwad Business, Mr. Rastogi. A warm welcome to you, sir. On behalf of Mr. K.V. Reddy. Somnath ji, go in the picture.
Revolution.
Thank you. Congratulations. Now to Mr. G. Ravindran, Chairman and Managing Director, Century Flour Mills Private Limited. He's getting a round of applause. That means he's here. Yes, he is. Congratulations, sir. May I now invite Mr. Virendra Kumar Gupta ji, Managing Director, Sahuwala Flour Mills, for your Excellence in Milling Practices Award. Give him a big round of applause. He's here.
Revolution. Yes.
फ्रेंड्स दोस्तों जो खड़े हैं वहाँ सीटिंग फ्री है, बाहर वहाँ है, अभी नहीं तो आप बैठ सकते हो. The Global Bakery Export Excellence Award will now be received by Mr. Ankit Agarwal, Director, along with Mr. M. Shetty, HOD Exports, Ravi Foods Private Limited. Big round of applause. Are they here? Ravi Foods, you are getting the Global Bakery Export Excellence Award. Anybody from Ravi Foods here, please? Either Mr. Ankit Agarwal or Mr. M. Shetty. Okay, we'll keep the award. Dr. Suresh, would you come forward to collect the award, please? On behalf of Ravi Foods Private Limited, thank you. Yes. It's now the Premier Global Exporter Award for flour, atta and suji, and the Premier Global Exporter Award for flour, atta and suji goes to ITC Limited Agri Division, Mr. Minil Patel, Assistant Manager Wheat Business. Are you here? Agri. Somnath ji, yeah, he's here. Wow. Give a big round of applause. Okay, wow. Congratulations. The Wheat Products Corporate Leader of the Year Award to the Managing Director, Mrs. Bector's Food Specialty Limited, Mr. Anup Bector. Are you here, Anup ji? Mr. Sanjay Sharma will come to collect the award. Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay ji. Congratulations on behalf of Mr. Anup Bector. Thank you.
Anupji really wanted to come, but due to some last-minute commitment, he couldn't make it, and he is our true Leader of the Year award, the truly deserving candidate, the way he has moved up in this line of business. So one round of applause for him, although in absentia. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ankit Agarwal is here. Do you have his award, sir? Please come on the stage. But please come forward. In fact, give the award so he can take a picture with it. So your family will know that you are actually here. getting an award and not just telling them that you're getting an award. There you go. Give him a big round of applause. Wonderful. Congratulations, Ankit Bhai. The Wheat Products Corporate Leader of the Year, Agri-Business Division. Who else but ITC Limited, Mr. Brijesh Kumar. Are you here? सोमनाथ जी कौन कलेक्ट करेगा? आइए. Many congratulations. Many congratulations, sir. We now move on to the technological trailblazer. Is it trailblazer or trailblazer? Trailblazer Award in milling and baking. And this goes to Mr. Ankit Kaushal, Head Global Sales, New Era Machines Private Limited. Are you here? Yes, he's here. Young and dynamic. Our next trailblazer in milling and baking is Mr. Alok Gupta, proprietor, AG Industries, Delhi. Alok ji. Many congratulations, sir. In the same category, I want to invite the founder of Miranda Automation Private Limited, Mr. Albert Miranda, and he is here. Big round of applause. Many congratulations, Albert, sir. In the same category, the proprietor of Sohan Engineering Company, Mr. Jagjit Singh Sohal. Is he coming? Yes, sir. Please come. Welcome. Wonderful. Welcome, sir. That's Mr. Jagjit Singh Sohal. Congratulations. I got a similar blazer like that. Very good one. I promise. Similar blazer. Okay, we're now going to the next same category. This time to Mr. S.P. Khandelwal, Technical Consultant, Flour Milling Technologist. We invite you to collect your awards, sir. There you go. The WPPS Excellence in Wheat and Wheat Products Nutrition Award. It goes to Mr. Praveen Garg, Managing Director, Malwa Agro Foods Private Limited. Big round of applause. Here he is. Anybody gets me a fresh lime soda from the bar, I'll give you a prize next year. Okay. Our next awardee in the same category is co-founder Nutripurna, Miss Bhakti Visaria. Let's welcome her. Here she comes. Congratulations. Our next awardee and entrepreneur in the same category, Executive Director, Sangvi Foods Private Limited, Mr. Rahul Sangwe. Let's hear it for him. Are you here, sir? Yes, he's here. Congratulations. In the same category, Mr. Vishwaraj Auti, owner Shanti Ganga Agro Industries. Please welcome, gentlemen. I'm sure first generation, second generation. Yes. Many congratulations, sir, to both of you and your organization. Mr. Siddharth,
Just to point out, they are marketing fortified atta, amongst the few companies which are promoting fortified atta.
congratulations. Mr. Siddharth Singhai, owner Siddharth Foods Products, Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. Yes, he's here. Give him a big round of applause. That was a big round of applause. In the same category, Dr. Kavita Reddy, Senior Nutrition Scientist, Shreya Nutrition. I saw her in the day as she's here. Kindly give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. In the same category, wait, Romy, wait. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you. In the same category, Dr. Bindya Sharma, Lead R&D, Horeca, QSR Business, Grupo Bimbo. She's not here. We'll keep it for her. In the same category, Dr. Deepti Gulati, Nutrition and Public Health Specialist, Senior Advisor, TechnoServe. I'm sure she's here. Yes, she's here. Big round of applause. Thank you. The category now is WPPS Award for Excellence in Wheat and Wheat Products Sourcing Award. And it goes to, who else? ITC Limited Agri-Business Division, to be received by Mr. Gauravanand, Business Head, Wheat Business. There they go. Big round of applause to ITC Limited Agribusiness Division. In the same category, Senior Manager Procurement, Inbound Logistics and Warehousing, ITC Limited Foods Division, Mr. Srinath Chaudhary. Is he here? Yes, he is. Somnath ji, Mr. Somnath, you also stand in the picture. Don't worry. 2 red t-shirts look good. In the same category, Director and Head of Procurement, Group Bimbo, Mr. Ashish Bhatnagar. Are you here, Ashish Bhai? Yes, he's here. Here he comes. Congratulations, Mr. Bhatnagar. Generally, the pictures and the actual does not match. Ye match okay. Okay, here we go. pioneer of modern food safety and nutrition advocacy, founder and CEO, Food Future Foundation, and former CEO, FSSI, Mr. Pawan Agarwal. Not there? Okay. On his behalf, the lovely lady is going to collect the award. Congratulations. The Vanguard Award for the Most Innovative Ingredient Supplier, General Mills, to be received by Mr. Sudeep Wagre and Mr. Neville Dyanova. Come on, let's give them a round of applause. We just got 3 or 4 more. In fact, that was the last category of awards, but there is one more. We now give an award to the best anchor, Mr. Romy. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now the WPPS team. I would like to invite, already on stage is Mr. Ajay Goyal, Chairman. Please give him a big round of applause. Mr. Adi Narayan Gupta, Mr. Raj Kapoor, the convener, all have done a wonderful job. Let's honor them with a big round of applause. They may not get an award, but I'll give them a hug. Yeah, the convener. So Raj Kapoor ji, Mr. Raj Kapoor, 1 minute sir. Your experience in the last few months, you are the man. Everybody, आपका phone बंद नहीं होते कभी, including late night, you have answered my calls. How is your experience? And what will you do next year better?
I think we have learned something from this event. I think we will do much better next year. This year 400, next year 800.
Big round of applause. Thank you.
So friends, thanks indeed. जिसका मुझे था इंतजार वो घड़ी आ गई, happy hour आ गया. Please join us. Thank you so much.